Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to solve another programming problem in the question paper of ICSE 2018 10th boards paper. So I have this question 5 in front of me and I'm going to write a detailed solution on it, comments and how to do it. So uh, I'm going to read the question first, prepare an outline and then code it out. So question 5 says write a program to input a number and check and print whether it's a Pronic number, okay, or not. We have to print both yes and no. Pronic number is the number which is the product of two consecutive integers. Okay, so after I read the question, I have a clear idea in my mind on how I'm going to code about it, because all I need to do is check if a number is a product of two consecutive integers. One simple for loop will do, and I have to take that value as input. So if it does not strike you at the very first shot, so give it a couple of minutes, try and think it out how you're going to do this, and you utilize your reading time to pick out the questions. And if you decide to pick this one up, so just make sure that you have an outline prepared. Okay, so I'm going to type it on a notepad, and I'm not going to compile it. I'm just going to write, and I'm going to guide you on how to go about it. Okay, so okay, so I will start my writing my code, and I will always do import java.io.asterisk class Pronic. Okay, and as I always tell you, give enough spacing so that if you come back later and you have to add some lines in between, it is not an issue for you then. So the first thing we need to do is read the value of integer from the user. So I use data input stream to input from the user. You can use scanner or buffer data or anything that you have been taught. So data input stream object to read the values, okay, so data input stream s is equals to new dis is equals to new data input stream system.in. Okay, so int integer is equals to the integer dot parse int dis dot read line. So I hope that you people are aware about this, reading the integer as reading the input as string, using the data input stream object or whichever way you want, and then convert the string into the integer using the integer dot parseInt function. Okay, now we need to check if it's a Pronic number or not. A for loop from 1 to n. So for I is equals to 1 and less than equal to integer I plus plus. Okay, so what I need to do is check if I and I minus 1 both together give you give you the integer. So bool a flag to store if this is a boolean value. So boolean is Pronic equals to false. Okay, so I'm going to take this as a false and iterate and check. So if I into I minus 1, you can do I plus 1 as well, it does not matter, is equals to integer, then is Pronic is equals to 2. Okay, else it will remain false by default. So if this I to I minus 1 will not match, so I'm not doing I to I plus 1 because it's one and the same thing. So I can start from 0 and I can do I plus 1. I can start from 1. See, the limits really do not matter here, because somewhere between the square root of this integer, because if you see, so somewhere between square root of 12, which is between 3 and 4. Okay, so the numbers are these. So similarly for this 20, the square root of 20 is between 4 and 5. So these are the two values, and square root of 42 is somewhere between 36, 36, 7, 49, between 6 and 7. So you can see, if you calculate the square root and you calculate the value just before the square root and after the square root, so you can find the two values, because 12 is the square root of 12 is 3 point something between 3 and 4. So you get 3 and 4. So for 20 it is between 4 and 5, and for 42 the square root is between 6 and 7, because 6 is 36 and 7 is 49, and 42 is between 36 and 49. So your integer, if it is if the product is a if the number is a product of consecutive integers, it will be somewhere between its square root. So the limits will not matter here. You have to think about this, and this comes with practice. So even if you take normal limits, it will work out. Don't worry about this. Is Pronic is equals to false. Okay, and then print the result. System.out.println. Okay, if condition. So if is Pronic. See, I had to add an if condition before the system.out.println. That's why I always guide you to give ample space before you start. So is Pronic system.out.println integer is a Pronic number, full stop, else system.out.println this integer is not a Pronic number, integer is not a Pronic number. And then we are going to close the public static and close this. Okay, so we have completed the solution for this question, and now I'm going to try and run this out. So this is my code, what I've written, and I can again, if you get the time to go back and revise, just go back and look through the code that you have written, so that you don't make silly mistakes like you misspelled some name of the variable, or you took some I here and ended up writing J here, or the name of this variable is not same as this one. So things like this you should keep in mind. So okay, so this is the code that I have, and I'm pretty sure that I've written it correctly. So integer is the input here, then it is Pronic is false, it's somewhere it matches, it is Pronic is true. Cool. So I'm going to, so this is the solution that I've written in my first shot, and I'm pretty sure that it's the correct solution. So it should give me yes for 12, 20 and 42. So I'm going to copy this, I'm going to save it, class 10th question 4 file.java. So it is in my E drive, ICSE solve programs. So I'm going to open command line to compile it. ICSE solve programs. Oh, sorry, CD ICSE solve programs. Okay. So I have Java C 2018 class 11 question 4.java. I wonder if this is the correct file name or not. Okay, it is, there is no issue. Java Pronic, and I need to enter 20 is a Pronic number. So I tend to add, I have written this. So this is the mistake that I made. I have written an extra E here. So I won't go back and correct it, because it's the question is the solution that I have written. So 20 is a Pronic number. Okay, I'll try with 12 is a Pronic number. I'll try with 42 is a Pronic number. I'll try with something that does not work out. So 56, 7 is 56. Then 47 is not a Pronic number. Okay, 78. So the solution that I wrote was correct, apart from the fact that I had an extra E here. So it is always advisable that if you get time, come back and revise this. So this was the solution to question 5 of the theory paper of 2018 class 10 boards paper.